Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I just wanted to touch base with y'all today. We've done quite a few videos on a lot of different subjects, and I wanted to see if you have questions or more things that you'd like to know about. I've got a pretty extensive background in quilting. I've been quilting well over 20 years now, and we owned a shop for 9 years, and I taught a lot of different things. This one is advanced class. It's Moonglow by Jenny Beyer. And then Beyond the Basics, this class, Quilting 101, 102, a lot of pattern classes. So put a comment at the bottom of the video, ask us what you'd like to see, and then we'll see if we can put up a video about it or direct you to a video that we already put up, because I know you can really get lost in those YouTube videos trying to find stuff. Or if we've got a class, this Beyond the Basics class has a lot of specialty skills in it. So we maybe have it in a class. So put a comment down there. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.